Video here. If you're ever operating on your Honda roller mower gearbox, you can see that the bearing has totally come out, so you'll need the replacement bearing, a bearing puller tool from a set like that, a vise and a couple of washers, and I will try and set you up so that you can see exactly what's going on. So you'll also need two spanners. So you put this tool through the bearing, through both ends, twist that in, lock it, and then tighten it up. That's nice and tight now. That's not going anywhere. We'll get the weight, screw that on, and then we just use the slide weight, make sure it's not slipping out your vise, nice and tight. Slipped out. Really tight this time. And there you go, your bearing is out. Give it a little clean up, and then grab your new bearing, hold it on top, give it a very light tap with the hammer just to seat it. And then you've got it in your vise like so, and you just tighten it, pushing it home. You could of course use a proper bearing press for this, but I haven't got one. You don't need one. That's now pushed flat. It needs to recess slightly so that we can get the oil seal on there. So I've got a tiny washer that just fits over the top there like that, and I'm going to hold that in place as we tighten it up. Now this is a little bit tricky just to get lined up, but it's not too hard. There we go. And then again, you're just driving it home slowly with the vise. Then an extra washer just to push it that bit further home. Again, sort of line it up, put a bit of sideways pressure on it while you line the washer up with the vise, and then drive it home. click every now and again as it sort of forces its way in. There we go. And you can see on this one I've already got the oil seal on, so I just need to do the same on that side. Pop it in the vise again and you're done. That's how you change your roller bearings. So that's both of them pressed in. Your one last job before you do that is to get yourself some grease. I'm going to use any old grease I've got. The back end of a toothbrush. And we're just going to give the bearings a bloody good dose of grease. And then the last thing to do before we put it back on the shaft is to just put these two little circlips back on, which is a repeat procedure. These are the circlips, and there's a groove around that section. There. And it just goes over and clicks into place, and that is that side done. I'll repeat the other side and that's you done. So here's the other one. There you go, job done. So, there's the roller. Push that home. Next comes grease on that. Some more. Put your gearbox on the right way, obviously. Put it back in, put the cable on. Lost a washer. The washer just goes over the bearing to protect that. Should be one on the other side. Should have forgotten. Mash them together. Back on, make sure you've got your height adjuster in the groove. Mark your keyway. I'll put a little scratch on there so I can line it up with the hole. That just slides on. Make sure your height adjuster is within its limits. I like to leave it on the bottom one now. And then it's just a case of lining up this bolt, driving it home, popping the nut on the underside, start it off with my finger and then tighten that down, which I'll just do off camera. Next is the spring, so put that on there. You have to have it on the lowest one to make it a bit easier, and then it's just a case of using a screwdriver to sort of stretch it over, or a pair of pliers, whichever you prefer. I'll do that off camera. So there I've just used the screwdriver, pushed it up, lined up and let go. One last nut to go on. Which ideally it should have a washer. There it is. So put the washer on. On goes the nut with the 17mm. Tighten the back down. You want that so there's no vertical play up and down. There's some spacer washers in there. That's it. All done. So what I've done there is I've taken this clip off, took this pin out, line it all up again. Trust me, this is much easier than taking it all apart again from the back. Pin on, and you can just slide that back on. Use a little pick. There we go. Nice. And then your rubber boot goes back over, and you none the wiser that you forgot to do it the first time.